Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the rail, cover, and filter on your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV17 to ensure safety during the process. Next, lay the vacuum on a flat surface, preferably a workbench or a clean floor. First, we will remove the rail. Locate the screws on either side of the rail. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the rail away from the main body of the vacuum. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now let's move on to the cover. The cover is held in place by several clips. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry open these clips. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. Once the clips are released, lift the cover off and set it aside. At this point, you may want to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Dyson SV17. If you find that the cleaning seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your vacuum is in top condition. Next, we will replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually situated near the motor. Remove the old filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Dispose of the old filter responsibly. Take your new filter and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it is secured in place by twisting it clockwise. Now it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Start by placing the cover back onto the main body. Ensure that all clips are aligned correctly before pressing down to secure them. Once the cover is in place, take the rail and align it with the body of the vacuum. Insert the screws you previously removed and tighten them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process overwhelming, don't forget that we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your vacuum maintenance needs. Finally, once everything is reassembled, plug your Dyson SV17 back in and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check that the rail moves smoothly and that there are no unusual sounds coming from the vacuum. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the rail, cover, and filter on your Dyson SV17. Regular maintenance like this will help prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.